Hello coin engineers, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna explain you and I'll give you some supporting information about the Ton blockchain network. Let's get started. First of all, as you can see from my screen right now, I'm on the Ton blockchain official Twitter account, and that's the website. And absolutely I can provide you the link after watching this video. Absolutely you can take a look their Twitter account, and then in this video I'm gonna just introduce you and how can you use Ton blockchain network and ecosystem digital application, especially wallet, official wallet at the Telegram. How can you make a transfers your funds from exchange, decentralized exchange, centralized exchange, doesn't matter, from there to Ton or from Ton to there. First of all, click ton.org to introduce about project. What is it? First of all, the name, if I'm not mistaken, was Telegram Open Network, but right now then the name will change, and right now as you can see from my screen, that's the Open Network, and abbreviation of that, the Open Ton Network. I mean the Open Network Ton. That's the currency's name, and that's the fully name. I mean the Open Network. And decentralized and open internet created by the community using a technology designed by Telegram. I mean that's the official blockchain network supported by Pavel Durov, who is a founder of Telegram, and in generally Telegram as a company. First of all, if you are a developer or if you are development team, you can just click build on Ton and you can improvement or you can build and do something on the Ton ecosystem, and absolutely you can get grants if your digital application on Ton will be successful. You absolutely can be huge amounts from Ton ecosystem, because especially at the grant side, Ton ecosystem will distribute a lot of Ton tokens. And right now, if I'm not mistaken, let me a second to take a look coinmarketcap.com to take a look Ton price. Yes, Toncoin right now 7.21 cent, and although the market conditions is not so good right now, we can see Toncoin's price is so good, and it increase it, and right now the total market cap is $80 billion, and it's so a good result for Dogecoin and for others top 10 cryptocurrencies. And first of all, back to Square, explore wallets. That's is the crucial and important thing what we need in there. If you want a user, if you want to be original user into the Toncoin ecosystem, the open network ecosystem, first of all you absolutely need to wallet. For example, one of the most using wallets at the Ton ecosystem was the Tonkeeper. And if you don't want to download or get something from other side, you absolutely can use wallet, because it absolutely will be located on the Telegram. Just click open, and that's it. We are at the Telegram, as you can see from my screen, and that's the wallet bot. First of all, you need to click open wallet. By the way, I had took 2 videos about the Telegram usernames and Telegram wallets. In totally that will be 3 videos, and that's the 4th. And into the right corner you will see the card about the Toncoin ecosystem wallets and how can you use it, how can you transfer your funds from the wallet or to this wallet. First of all, as you can see from my screen, that's a total balance. First of all, if you want to increase your balance, you can use exchange, P2P market. For example, you have just credit or debit card or bank account and your native currency, you can absolutely use P2P market. Click buy. For example, put your own currency. What is it? For example, euro. You want to USDT. Just see, and available over 300 USDT. Click buy. Put the amount. For example, I want to buy USDT for 100 euro. Click buy. First name, last name, date of birth, and then you will click name, and then you need to put your own bank transfer account details, and then you can absolutely use it securely. Don't worry about that. Everything is secured and kept by Telegram and Ton ecosystem. And then you can absolutely change your money in against of USDT. That's it about increasing your balance using P2P market. And then you can absolutely add crypto, bank card, P2P market, or external wallet. For example, you have dollars, USDT, or Toncoin, Bitcoin, Notcoin. Metamask or other browser wallet or other exchange, for example, first of all, you need to choose USDT or others. For example, in this video, I'm just gonna show you USDT. Click continue, put your details, and then click send. You will add your own USDT, choosing and adding method into your wallet. Choose asset to receive, and then choosing and putting some information you can receive. You can use the USDT address. The wallet, Telegram wallet, will provide you automatically after putting whole amount, whole details, and then you can absolutely click the deposit address, and then you can absolutely deposit into this address your USDT. And as well, you can add bank card. You can do it as the same way. And external wallet P2 market, I had already take a look about to buy crypto with a bank card right now, and that's the same way. I mean, there are a lot of, if I'm not mistaken, 1, 2, 3 method, at least 3 method to buy crypto into the Telegram wallet easily. And you can take a look transaction history. Right now, I have no any transaction. And then if you have, for example, 100 USDT on your balance on your Telegram wallet balance, you can get a 50% APY on USDT. Click start earning. For example, put amount. Right now, I have not enough coins, but after the receiving enough, for example, minimum of 100 or 200, there's no matter how many USDT you can put. For example, you can put 100 USDT. After the putting and depositing the relevant amount, you can click continue, and then every time, for example, after the 2 weeks, you will get really $50. I mean, as you can see, earn 50% APY for 2 weeks, and that's so highly amount. And after next 2 weeks, I mean, in totally after 1 month, you will earn in totally over 200. Yes, over 200 USDT easily, freely, and without any labor, without any details, without any needings. Yes, earn Toncoin, earn Toncoin on USDT. For example, you can earn Toncoin. Just deposit Ton, and in against of that, you will earn Toncoin as a passive income, as a rewards, and that's the 2 passive income methods and opportunities into the deal, and that's so easy. And then you can do it some other things. Yes, that's so easy. That's so easy. And back to square one, what we need to talk about. Yes, all wallets new to crypto. For example, you can use Toncoin wallet, crypto bot. That's also Telegram bot wallet for storing, transferring, and exchanging Ton. And that's the same method. That's a custodial, and they are also custodial. Ultimate control. For example, Tangame. That's a cold wallet. Probably you have, what is a cold wallet? Ledger as cold wallet. If you don't want to deposit your own cryptocurrencies or your own monies into the hot wallet, for example, hot wallet is that, I mean Telegram wallet, but Ledger, SafePal, Tangame is a device as a cold wallet, and you can absolutely use it, deposit your own assets on Toncoin on your cold wallet. And if you are a developer, you can also Metamask, my Ton wallet, Tonkeeper, Tonhad, you can absolutely use it. Devices, browser, they are browser at the same time. Desktop, if you are on the desktop side, you can absolutely use Tonkeeper. Hardware side, there's no result, but at the hardware side, all wallet. Click all wallets. Hardware side, you can use Ledger, SafePal, Tangame as a cold wallet. Cold wallet are hardware devices. Mobile wallets, Tonkeeper wallet, CryptoBot, TonHub, Trust Wallet, Ledger, Coin80, Coin90A wallet, SafePal, IME wallet, etc. There are a lot of. That's a wide and so exciting ecosystem. And you can take a look features. You can buy, you can exchange, you can stake, and you can do Ton Connect. What's the Ton Connect? You can click that I icon. You can get a lot of information about that. You can buy domains. You can use proxy on the open network. I mean Ton ecosystem, Ton blockchain. You can buy, sell, mint NFTs, multi-chain operations. You can do it. Subscription are available, multi accounts, and etc. Get or sell Ton coins. You can click learn more. How can you sell or buy Ton coins into the directly? Actually, I had already discussed about that. Just click open wallet and add crypto. For example, bank card. Click Toncoin, put amount and payment details. That's it. I mean, you will be original user with buying and by buying your own Toncoin. That's one of the methods. And at the end of the site, you can find support and feedback, brand assets, contact us, Ton Foundation, Ton Society, mini apps, GameFi, meme coins, and community tokens, community tools, validators, white paper, Toncoin, and etc. You can take a look a lot of things because it's so wide. It's so huge ecosystem. I think it will be so better, and even after 1 year we can see, probably we will see Toncoin at the USDC between Solana USDC or USD between USDC and XRP. I mean, that's just prediction. That's not an investment advice. That's why do your own research always. That's another financial advice. I said again, yes, that's it about that. If you don't want to catch some crypto opportunities into the market, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, join Telegram, and follow Twitter account on Twitter. That's our Twitter at Coin Engineers. We're sharing some other news into the deer, and you can absolutely take a look them relevantly and independently. See you on the next bullish time.